Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Black Shark Pad 7 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So before we'll start, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required in order to search for the new updates. After making sure that you've got the internet, let's go to the settings. And here in this left section, we need to scroll all the way down and find the system. Here, let's scroll down and find System Updates and tap on it. And your device will immediately check for the updates. You can tap on Check for Updates again if you're not sure. And basically, you can meet two different scenarios. So this is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download. And the second one is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on Download or Install and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.